Okay, YouTube family, today we're going to make something that it's going to look like I put a lot of work into it, but it's really simple. We're going to make spaghetti with marinara meat sauce. So right now, I'm browning the hamburger meat. It's 90-10. In the pot next to it, I'm boiling the water. I do have a couple pinches of salt in the water for the pasta. Now I'm looking at the seasonings I'm going to be using. I want to see if they have salt in it. I'm going to use this Italian seasoning. There's no salt in there. And if I need to use another Italian seasoning, I have this Tones, and there's also no salt in that one. Now this Italian spaghetti seasoning by Tones does have salt. And I did end up using a little bit of it, but now I don't add the seasonings till after I have completely browned the hamburger meat, because I don't want the seasonings to cover up any of the pink meat. That way I can make sure I'm not eating any raw hamburger meat. And I'm just breaking up the hamburger meat and browning it. Water still boiling, not quite ready for the spaghetti yet. And this is the spaghetti I'm going to be using. Barille's whole grain is in my pantry. If I don't have enough of that, I'm going to use the thin spaghetti Barilla. And they're both thin spaghetti. One's just whole grain wheat and one's just regular. And this Rails marinara sauce is excellent. And that's the marinara I'm going to be using. Okay. Now my hamburger meat's all browned. I'm going to get some paper towels so I can get that excess grease out of there. Again, making this is real simple and easy, and I highly encourage you all to try making this because it's just quick and easy. Brown some hamburger meat, add your sauce, boil your pasta, and then combine them and eat. I also had some garlic knots or rolls. These are the knots. Bought these from BJ's Wholesale Club. Winter Bakery. Here I am adding the Italian seasoning. Again, this does not have salt or pepper in it, so I'm going to add quite a bit of it. I like to actually see my seasonings in my food. So now I'm adding black pepper because, again, that Italian seasoning doesn't have any black pepper in it. Now I'm going to add a little salt. I only added like 2 or 3 pinches of that Italian spaghetti. That's why I decided to go ahead and add some salt. I'm going to add some more of the Italian seasoning. Make sure it's all stirred up and combined. My water is boiling. And I turned the stove on to get it preheated. Not the stove, I'm sorry, the oven to get it preheated for the rolls. Adding the pasta. And no, I did not break it up. I just added the pasta. Right to the boiling water. And again, it's got a couple pinches of salt in the pasta water. It's always important to add that. That's something my mother taught me. And as I watch cooking videos, the people that are cooking, I always suggest adding some salt to the water that you boil your pasta in. So it's something that I do use. That technique I do use when I make my pasta. And I did decide to add some of the regular thin spaghetti. Now again, I'm back to the hamburger meat, just making sure all the seasonings have been mixed in there. And now it's time to add the Rails marinara sauce. You can get this in your grocery store. I usually buy mine at Costco or Sam's. They'll frequently put it on sale where you can get 2 jars, I think, for like maybe $10 to $12. And they're bigger than the jars you get in the grocery store. Just checking on the pasta, taking it off. It's been boiling. I think I let it cook about 8 minutes. I usually cook it 7 to 9 minutes. I'm just stirring in the marinara sauce. I let it simmer about 10 to 15 minutes. And here's the final plate. Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe. Leave a comment. Appreciate you all, YouTube family. Love you. Have a good one. I'll see you in the next video.